We're doing a post-jetter camera inspection here at 1140 23rd Avenue East. This is the Seattle City main. As you can see, the water going by right there. I'm going to start pulling back now. As you can see, we're in clay pipe out here. This is under the street. Pretty good condition out here. Now we're pulling back into a transition to a black ABS pipe. So there was a spot repair done here at some point. Now here's where the line gets a little trickier. The condition of the pipe is getting worse through here. You can see over there on the right hand side there's water trickling in. See right there at the top of your screen there's a little bit of an offset. So basically the pipe there is offsetting in the joint. One pipe's higher than the other one, causing a lip. There's a straggler from one of our biggest root balls. It's the best we could get that. No, some of these locations look like there's a crack right there. Not that one. Another ABS repair. You can see the offset at the bottom of it. There's a lip there. Cause blockages, things to build up in that area. I'm going to turn. There's another offset. It's the best the roots could do because of those offsets. And these were where the major root balls were. Beginning. As you can see here, there's a major offset with the ABS repair. You can see my camera just hits it. So my camera head's about 2 inches wide, so that's about 1 inch up, so if not a little bit more. So imagine that all the waste there on the way down would get hung up right there, because you can see that is the bottom of the pipe. As we pull back, this seems like the biggest repair that was done. Clearly there's been some issues with this clay pipe. Another offset. Tie-in there coming from the other side of the house, I'm assuming. Alright, so here is our biggest problem. You can see on the bottom right of your screen right there, there's a crack going up to that joint. And if you see straight ahead, the offset there, this is 4-inch pipe and you got about solid 2 inches of offset, so you're choking that pipe out. This is a pinch point in your line, which also has a break in it. That break could get worse over time, will get worse over time, there's no question about it. And that if that's continuing to offset like that, that'll also continue to happen. You can see the roots were coming in through that backside where you can see the dirt kind of coming in, as well as right there. So that you can see from here, you can see how much that's pinched. So you have the 4-inch pipe that we're in, you're looking straight down, and you can see how it's now 2 inches down there. So that, I believe, is possibly where the clog was yesterday. And then there's another offset here at another ABS repair. So I think these ABS repairs might not have been vetted correctly or have just been settling differently. Now we're coming into the last section. This is all ABS till we come out and clean out another 4 feet. There's a clean out. I'm going to end it there.